Good morning, friends. So yesterday Nifty opened with a bit of gap down, and then it gave a long tail candle which went exactly or supported 25,753, and then it bounced back sharply, giving us lots of opportunities to go long, and we did go long. We chose Bank Nifty, but we didn't choose Nifty, and Nifty, just like Bank Nifty, made very good move on the upside, and it got resisted at our resistance exactly, and it closed towards our final resistance. So now let's understand what we have in store for today. For today, the critical level is going to be 24,884. So it looks like Nifty is going to gap up around this level. So if it opens up here, might see a correction down to 24,987, 985 types. And if this sustains, then market can move up to 25,128. So looking for a bullish candle which is made somewhere here and moving up. On the other hand, if it doesn't sustain, then we get a negative candle here. We can trade down to 24,939, 25,884, and 25,826. So it's going to be a critical day today. Market can either move sideways or it can make a big move in one of the directions. From the trend wise, if you look at it on an hourly chart, it's clearly on a downtrend. Nothing has changed, and we also have a trend line now. So only about close about this 25,099 can the market go up from here. So this is going to be a brilliant area where if reversal comes, we can sell. So that's the overall picture for today. I wish you all good luck, and do join us for the next video. Bye bye.